I'm in Talegaon constituency, and again in our Talegaon village, you can see that fire is lit right in between. Thanks to our Talati Praveen of Talegaon, who noticed this fire and who directly called up the Mamladar and asked him to get the fire brigade, to put this fire off. Now, and there's a well close by over here. This is happening on a regular basis in Talegaon. There needs to be a solution to the problem, and this is bank opposite Models Legacy that's happening. All the smoke is entering into the complexes. Right now, it's just the start of it, so we are trying our best to make sure that precaution is taken. They're going to try and put it off. They're also trying to cut the grass around it because there is no fire brigade that can reach inside because it's right deep inside. It will not, the water supply will not able to reach here at this end. So this is how difficult it is for the firefighters to reach out into our fields. So kindly requested everyone to please be careful, and especially our panchayat to have talk to all the farmers to talk to them about the precautions that need to be done, because everyone gets affected with this, and we all collectively need to work together, because we have species around over here. We've seen that snakes, tortoises, and all the frogs get affected when there's fire that takes place like this. So we as citizens have to take care, and I thank the Talati once again, Praveen, who was on side, because I was just reaching home and I saw him standing there, and then I saw the smoke, and we just see what best we can do and help out over here.